My loves, if I leave for work this morning, I want you guys to know that it is perfectly okay to wake up and not having the strength to go to work. It is perfectly okay not wanting to eat breakfast before work. It is perfectly okay if you decide to eat your breakfast by 2 p.m. in the afternoon. It is even perfectly okay if you decide to drink Gary by 12 midnight. And most importantly, it is perfectly okay to mind your own business. Oh yes, it is perfectly okay to mind your own business. But do you know what is not okay? Like, do you know what is not okay? It is not okay to be watching my content and not following. It is not okay to be enjoying my recipe and you're not subscribing. It is not okay to be laughing in silence and not commenting. Like, why? Are we strangers for this 2026 again? This is officially day one of me shouting out my YouTube, my TikTok, my Facebook, my food business. I'm no longer humble in this era. You see the 2026? You see this thing? You see it? That is why I'm carrying my business, my social media, everything on top of my forehead. If you like, carry on your shoulder. As I'm even talking, somebody wants to scroll. Auntie, why are you scrolling now? Uncle, what's the problem? Is it what I'm saying making sense to you? Don't you like the content that I put out? Even if you don't like it, say it out in the comment section. I'm here to serve you after all. You want to scroll? I beg, go down. No too much, safe. I'm talking about motivating you, motivating me by scrolling. I better go down. I said this TikTok of a thing. TikTok, this message is for you most especially. Yes, now because small boosts I say my boost my content. I say, beginner, upcoming celeb, upcoming celebrity. Oh yes. Side, no be even say man, my fourth self. Now when I force, when I carry my video, go show people when they're interested in my video. Now waiting I send you when you go do. Just carry my video, just share everything. See to people no wants. Now you can't reduce my engagement because of that small mistake what I do. I'm not if you forgive person. I've seen so many creators complaining that they're stuck at 200 views. Where me, I've never smelt 50. My likes are nothing more than 15. Like to say my likes are not even up to 10. You guys, is it this 2026 again? At PT says as small content creators where we go be at least the algorithm go there at least go there favors go there. TikTok a beg now, YouTube a beg now, Facebook waiting are doing now. They say run, boost your post, run ads, run this one. I don't try when I can't punish me for trying. I not fair now. For at least upgrade me at least give me 500 views or I'll manage. Let me just manage. But that one aside, I have a sweet gist for you people. You see, once I hit this 1K, I'm not greedy. Once I hit 1K, yes, 1K on YouTube, and I reach like 5,000. I'm not too greedy. Let's just make it 5,000. Yeah. Once I reach like 5,000 on this TikTok, and I reach like 5,000 on Facebook, bet you me, I owe 2 active people, not those random people that when I was having giveaway, they'll just come from nowhere. 2 active people that engage in my content actively. Good food. I cannot be a chef and my followers will be starving. This how it will even be safe. If I'm growing rapidly, I might even decide to cook for everybody or even do an outreach. Trust me. Oh yes. But remember, I come out maybe not the shade. They confused. Now I'm gonna try motivate fine girl now. I'm gonna try motivate fine girl with Sabi cool. So if you have been supporting me silently or enjoying my content silently, it is time you wake up. Now who snooze go lose. Follow me, subscribe to my channel, comment, show that you are alive. Bring this my content to life. Let me know that it's not robots that is following me because it's looking as if it's robots that is following me. You that if you click like, if you follow me, are you going to die? And see, uncle, please let's all follow, subscribe, engage. Like let's grow together, okay? Because a win for me is a win for you. Because if I win, I wanna go chop. Thank you very much. Do have a lovely day at work today. Bye.